UKKO Light Entrepreneur is an online service that allows you to easily invoice your customers. When you register for the service, you have the option to create a business ID. In this case, UKKO.fi takes care of your bookkeeping and you can enjoy the tax benefits of being an entrepreneur. Let's now open the UKKO.fi service and begin its very simple setup. Register for the service by entering your email address and selecting a password. Log in to your user account. Click on the homepage button that says Found a new business. Fill in your personal details, such as your first name, last name and phone number. Provide the information for your upcoming business. Include your business's basic details, such as street address, postal code and postal area. You can use your home address as your business's address. Choose the main industry for your business. Select the industry that best describes your business activities. Estimate the first year turnover of your business. The estimate can be an approximation. Review the information and confirm your registration with a strong authentication, online banking credentials or mobile certificate. You will receive a business ID and you can start your journey as an entrepreneur.